What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, another colorful video for you. This look I saw on Instagram. I follow Cardi B's makeup artist, Erica LaPearl, and of course we know that Cardi looks so cute lately. She does like a lot of bold colors. She's not afraid to do things that people might find dangerous, like some hot pinks and stuff like that. But I saw this look maybe like 1 or 2 weeks ago that Erica did on Cardi for a performance in Houston. So pretty much I really wanted to recreate it. It's so pretty. It has a lot of pastels that I think would be really great for springtime if you're really looking to do it up. I know it looks like a lot of color, but to be honest, it wasn't really that frightening to put together. It's just a couple colors: blue, purple, pink, yellow, and just a matter of like making sure that you blend them all together, put on some cute little falsies. So I'm gonna do this a little different than I normally do. So pretty much this video is going to be a voiceover, so that way we can go through the steps real quick. You get everything that you need and you'll be able to recreate this look. So without further ado, let's get started. First clip's gonna come in on that side, as always. Thank you for watching. This side? Oh, you're just gonna have to edit that in. This side. Hello. I started off with foundation and everything laid down. Eyebrows are done, and now I'm putting on my Scotch tape just to leave a sharp line after I put on all my eyeshadows. So I'm gonna lay down as a primer my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. That way it's white, so it'll help all the pastel colors appear a lot brighter. And I'm gonna blend that out with like a flat brush. Just any flat brush is fine, just to make sure that all the Jumbo Pencil is even. You're gonna keep blending that, make sure that everything looks real good. And then after that, the first color that I'm taking, I'm patting in with a blending brush. This is Electric Eel by MAC. It's like a really nice bright blue. So I'm patting in first just to make sure that it adheres properly. Hey. And then I'm gonna blend it out in the crease. Then the next color is Peony Petal by MAC. It's actually a blush, but it's like a very vibrant pinky purpley shade. I don't really know how to describe it. It's just really pretty. So I'm just gonna pat that onto the lid on the outer edge, right underneath the blue. Then I'm gonna take a salmony, I don't know how to describe it, like an orangey pink from the BH 120 palette. And I'm also taking a yellow from the same BH 120 palette, and I'm just laying them down. What I really am concentrated on in the beginning is just laying the colors down, and then I'm going to worry about blending after. But it's really important to make sure that you get your pigments down first so that they show up really nice and bright. So now I'm going to start the blending process. I'm pretty much just going in between colors and making sure that there's like a flow between like the orangey into the yellow and from like the orangey into the pink. So a lot of it is like repeating and going back in with your brush with the same colors, making sure that everything makes sense. And then now I'm taking a dome shaped small brush, and I'm just gonna put in some purple in that crease. So there's like some kind of blending color between the blue and the pink. And then I'm taking a new blending brush, and I'm just going over that to make sure that the purple blends in real nice in the crease with the blue. And that purple is also from the BH 120. That same purple is going in right above my lash line, so it's making like a V on the outer corner as well. And once again, going back in with the blending brush, making sure that everything looks good. If you lose some blue, it's okay. You can go back in with the same Electric Eel, take a blending brush, go over it, make sure that your blue is vibrant. And now I'm just cleaning up, making sure that the transition from underneath the brow all the way into the crease, that the blue is real nice. I'm also taking Brulee by MAC, and that's gonna be my color for underneath the brow bone. And once that's done, you can peel off your tape. As you can see, some milk got left behind. So I'm just going in with some of my foundation on a small flathead brush, and I'm just cleaning that up. Next is liner. Y'all already know the play, so it's just the same three lines and filling in the rest of it. Same black liner, Clinique. Very easy. After that, I'm taking a flat angled brush and I'm going in with a light purple from the BH120 palette, and I'm just dipping in and diffusing it. And after that, I'm going in with like an electric blue eyeliner. I'm going in with my in my waterline, and I'm just adding that blue. And then after that, I'm going back in with Electric Eel, and right underneath the waterline, not past the purple, I'm putting the Electric Eel and just making sure that it kind of like helps to brighten up what I just put down in my waterline. Next, mascara, Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, I think is what it's called. Mascara, and I like to get in there with the mascara, just like that. Yep. And I'm just coating my lashes. These lashes I stacked up. They're the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes on top of my Fabulous Looks lashes. I'll have them linked down below. Lashes, and in there in the style Faux Real. And now I'm just taking some sculpting powder by MAC. The color is Sculpt, and I'm just going into my cheekbones, making sure they're real chiseled and real nice since the eyes are done. Also on my chin, make sure that, you know, I don't have no double chin. And also it's gonna go around my forehead, just like that. I'm gonna sweep away all the baking powder underneath my eyeballs so we can get to the next step, which is going to be some blush. So I'm going back in with the Peony Petal, actually, which is the same color that we used for our lid by MAC, and very lightly I'm just dusting some of that. As you saw before, it's a very pigmented color, so you just want to take a little bit, dust it on your cheeks. And I'm putting my setting spray first before the highlighter, so that way the highlighter comes up a lot brighter. So I'm just going in with my Morphe setting spray, fanning myself off, make sure that it's nice and dry before you put down that highlighter. And this highlighter is the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and I'm just dusting that on with a fan brush, like that, like that. Also on the Cupid's bow, don't neglect the Cupid's bow. And right there, boop, on the tip of my nose. Okay, so now I'm just going in. The lips that Cardi had were nude, so I'm just going in with like a nude liner that's very close to my lip color. This one is by NYX. And then in the middle, I'm going with Edge to Edge lip liner by MAC. It says like pinky. Once that's filled in, I'm going in with my Flesh Fantasy lip gloss by Pat McGrath. And on top of that, I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty in Fussy, which is like the pink one of the glosses that she has, the gloss bombs. And this is it. Okay, so pretty much this is the final look. As you can see, we're nice and pastel with our stacked lashes, and I hope I'm able to do this look justice. Erica is so talented and I love her work, but this was like screaming at me. I had to do it. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like, comment if you have something to say to me, and subscribe. You can follow me, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day wherever you are. Love you. Bye.